Hello guys, I am back again in a space station. We're still at this planet. RS 09999935727057001438. Similar of it, essentially. A lot more mountains than I remember actually. Oh, look at this volcano. Volcano, yeah. Oh, Canada. So sad. Those top 10 saddest moments in all of space station. Anywho, we're going to keep exploring. We were at the edge of the universe, of the known universe in this game. Yeah. Oh, this was the planet with the black hole. That was the star system with the black hole. Pyramus X. I can't believe Elon Musk named this spectrum. Impossible. That's kind of cool, actually. This so I have less lag now. I hope I hope you're seeing this correctly, or else I'm going to do some very not nice things. Uh yeah. Let's see if there. Let's get this star. Hey, just this how. I'm guessing this I guess yeah. Finally, a gas giant with a large number of moons. Temperate? Let's do a blue star. All of these around here have the 999 thing. That's a weird hole. Oh, it's like ton. It probably looks like shit in the actual thing. It looks very bad. Look at this moon. It's big. There's a moon with rings. This moon has rings of its own. It's like gas giant. It's like this is like very much a planet on itself. Orbit. It's orbit. It's like Triton. You know, like or Luna. It's orbit. It is a moon because it's orbiting a planet, but like it is perfectly big enough to be its own planet. And Triton was once like its own object, which got consumed. Well, no, captured. Wait, mid sequence. Oh wow. Oh look, pink gas line. Let's set it up. I need to turn off nebulae, just to have it. Oh, I can roll. Oh, I don't know that. Well, look the great pink spot right there. Oh, that planet isn't actually. This is like Jupiter, but its atmosphere is red. It's warm. It's a warm sub Jupiter. That makes sense. This is warm. Oh, temperate. The coldest planet in this system is temperate. Temperate. What is this? A hot super Jupiter. How far away is it? Um, it rotates in 8 hours. It's almost tidally locked. Like this. Its day is longer than its. Oh no. No. I, hmm. Okay. 73 days. So like 3 months. This one takes. I think that should be like 3 years. Yeah, I think that's 3 years. Like, there's no way I'm actually that far away from this planet. No, wait, no. Yeah, it is possible. I'm just it is far away from this planet. I phrased it wrong. Because dot 00, like 27. This planet is like you could stand on it, but you would like collapse. You will like not do very well. Um, oh, I just landed inside the ground. Okay, where's the star? Oh, there it is. Hmm. White main sequence. Another white main sequence. Let's let's take off. Oh, this is an interesting gas giant. So it's so Neptune. So it looks in the atmosphere. Oh, it still has like the teal stripe. Interesting, interesting. What's this? A mini Jupiter. I mean, to be honest, that doesn't look much like a gas giant, but like, you know, inside. It's the planet. This this looks weird. It's not much else to say of these. Actually, like, yeah. Shit, I just flew 10 times to the right. Um, where am I? Where's the sky? There it is. There's this one. Oh, it's elliptical kind of. Look at that. Let's check out this one. A warm sub Neptune, another one. Oh, this one's blue like the old Neptune. That's very interesting. Oh, I accidentally landed. Let me augment my velocity. 3C. Where's the other question? How's this planet? Colder Laporia without atmosphere. Again, this one has rings though. That's pretty. But this one. Just a pretty thin atmosphere, but like thicker than most objects in the entire universe. It's like the star. Look at the sunrise or sunset. Whoa, this looks vaporwave for some reason. Like I don't know if I've heard it any other way. It looks vaporwave. This is a galaxy. I think it's the galaxy we're in. Oh, this is the single star. Blue sequence star. A binary, actually. So this one actually has. Oh wow, that's a big planet. Oh, that's just green. So it like should have green stellar star. Oh, they're both there. Actually, hmm. Look at this planet. Hot arid terra. Again, an atmosphere but not very thick. And I do airless. That's not airless. Sorry. Oh no, it's pretty much airless. Oh like oh that's a -7. Okay, yeah, it's airless. Hot arid. Three atmospheres. Man, I hate the fact that like two of like the two stars are like directly visible. It's so sad. This one has a magnetic field. Interesting. Um, starting to really lag. Already should get a lot of. Yeah, it's much better outside. This is a worm shooter. Yeah, that's basically the detail. There's no detail. You scam me. Space engine. How long has this recording gone on for? No idea. Actually. You know what? This one has 8 main moons. Oh, got a pretty big one, actually. Oh, this one does have a thick atmosphere. Interesting, interesting. Let's check out the sunset in this one. Well, that isn't that really good. Sunset, isn't it? Yeah, like it's still like an atmosphere. It's better than most. But like that's a thick atmosphere. Oh my! Can't even see the star. That is the star, right there. Let's check out another one. It was an airless. Yeah. Yes. This one also had no atmosphere. Oh, this is cool. Yeah. I know how many these recordings going for. Cause like I don't know how to check since I use OBS. I don't know how to use it that much. No, let's check the system actually. Check this chart. By yeah, I think so. It looked a lot bigger in the pictures. Okay, so I'm adding everything here. Oh, these two are pretty much the same size actually. So 4. 3 is smaller than 2 moons. So, a mini Neptune, that is a moon. I think this is smaller than Earth, right? This mini Neptune, smaller than Earth. Interesting. What's the smallest planet? I think it's 5. Yeah, it's 5. 5 is the smallest planet. This smaller than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 moons. Temperature. Oh yeah, it's pretty red. Probably by distance and distance to like its subject. Oh, this the third hottest subject actually. A moon from 2. It makes sense. It's probably tidally heated. A ton of asteroids here. It's getting close. This tiny pebble right here. There are 2 here. Oh no, that's one. This is me. Okay, that was cool. Go to another star. A yellow. That one's light. This is Europa from Berdrama. Literally is Europa from Berdrama right here. New Berdrama game location confirmed. This one is moons. Another subglacial one. This one is unicellular, so probably more like Europa in real life. So we got the fun subglacial life and the boring subglacial life. Let's check out the home planets. Ooh, Rocky planet with rings. The rings are very light. Turn them. Oh, that's planets, not rings. Okay, that's an interesting choice. Let's say. Let's check this one. This one also has rings. I think I'm going to. No, no. Actually, the other one is not as cool. Actually, but look, you can also see that two stars in this one, so it's better. Like statistically, it's better. Can I cheat check how long it has gone on for? I'm not sure. I think I'm going to cut it off here because I'm filming way earlier than I normally do, which is nighttime, and I'm filming in daytime. So yeah, I want to stop doing this early. At least I think it's early. I'm not sure actually. Bye guys. I hope you have fun for the rest of the day.